beautifully, like the one on your sleeve, there happened a story you must see to believe.
It's a date! It's an invitation! Come join the Jubilation celebration!
Ring the bells and holiday cheer! The grandest of moments is almost here!
Good day! Happy holidays to you all! Welcome to our town, both the big and the small! I am the Mayhew of Whoville, and the Book of Who proclaims we welcome all to join in our grandest tradition. Who's over here? Who's over there? Who's from every which way and where? Welcome to the Jubilation!
Turn up the tree with Christmas.
Mayor Mayhew, what is the meaning of Christmas?
Presents, parties, food!
Mayor Mayhew, who is the Grinch?
You see, Cindy Lou, the Grinch is a who, well, he's not really a who, he's actually more of a...
A what?
Exactly.
You see, Cindy Lou, the Grinch hated Christmas the whole Christmas season.
Now, please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason.
It could be that his head wasn't screwed on quite right.
It could be, perhaps, that his shoes were too tight.
We think the most likely reason of all may be that his heart was 2 sizes too small.
Yes, the Who's here in Whoville liked Christmas a lot.
The Christmas has to be more than twinkling lights. It's the magic of giving that makes Christmas so bright.
That's sweet, my dearest little Cindy Lou. Now, you got lots to do. Yeah,
I got the Christmas tree, I got the memo Christmas tree, I got you here with me, I got the perfect Christmas night, and by that with me, I got the perfect Christmas night. Christmas.
The town of Whoville is proud to announce the winner of this year's Humanitarian Award. Now we have someone very special presenting the award. Let us Cindy Who.
As a representative of the town of Whoville, I am very proud to present this special 1000th Humanitarian Award to Mr. Grinch! What's
All loved by Hey!
Good kitty.
Hey, DJ!
Give me a bouncy sheet.
Which
And the shaft out of your sidekick pick.
Mr. Grinch.
You're as cuddly as a cactus, and as charming as an eel. I will touch you with a...
Oh, you can do better than that. Come on. Yes.
All right, shut up. I believe I'm here to accept an award of some kind. And the child mentioned a check.
Oh, no, I didn't.
There is no check.
What? No check? Oh, all right, fine, then give me the award. while I'm young. Come on.
The town of Whoville proudly bestows upon you its highest honor.
Hey.
Wait! He stole our Christmas!
What?
Prove it.
Well, what's in the bag?
What's in the bag?
No, what's in the bag?
What's in the bag? That's how you sound.
What's in the bag, Skipper?
Wait, don't go in there. All right. I confess, you got me. I did it. I took it to Mount Crumpet, to the tip-top to dump it. Oh no, I'm arriving. There you go. I took all your Christmas. You have me, it's true. But with this feeling inside, I brought it all back to you. Guys, you guys, I brought it back to you guys.
Can we just get back to Christmas the way it's supposed to be? Grinchless! Bring me the book!
Get the book! Get the book! Where's the book? Hurry with the book! Get the book!
And I quote, "The term Grinchy shall apply when Christmas spirit is in short supply."
Yes.
Whatever.
But the Book of Who also states, no matter how different a Who may appear, they will always be welcome with holiday cheer. Mr. Grinch,
Yeah?
you've shown us the true meaning. Nothing's been missed. And because of your deed, you deserve this. Your cheek is so...
I know. Hairy.
No,
What, dirty? Oily? Do I have a zit?
no. Warm.
Oh.
Forest dog, come this way. Forest dog, Forest Christmas Day. Welcome, welcome, Forest dog, Christmas tree
And what happened then? Well, in Whoville they say that the Grinch's small heart grew on 3 sizes that day.
Hey! Max! Help me! I'm feeling...
Looking around, he puzzled. And he puzzled some more. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't before.
Maybe Christmas
He thought,
doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas perhaps means a little bit more. Welcome, Christmas. Bring your cheer. Cheer to all who's far and near. Christmas Day will always be just as long as we have we. So welcome Christmas while we stand heart to heart and hand in hand.
As the mayor of Whoville, I hereby decree, let us light this stupendous, magnificent tree! Now count with me, one and all, from 5 to 1, who's tall and small. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The humanity! Wait, double wait. I forgot one little phone. And here we go!
so the Grinch saved
That's what
Christmas.
I'm for. Yeah,
And all
baby.
through the town,
Happy holidays!
all the Who's here in Whoville watched the snow falling down.
Merry Christmas!
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling